Good morning, Bears, and with today's Bear Bulletin. I'm James Gibson.
And I'm Courtney Galvan.
Mary J. McLeod Bethune was an American educator, philanthropist, humanitarian, womanist, and civil rights activist.
If we accept our acquiescence in the face of discrimination, we accept the responsibility ourselves and allow those responsible to solve their conscience by believing that they have our acceptance and concurrence. We should therefore protest openly everything that smacks discrimination or slander. Mary McLeod Bethune.
San Benito County students from kindergarten to 12th grade are invited to create original art for the 2022 Recology Student Poster Contest. The contest is open. Only works done with traditional media, no computers-generated art, is permitted. Submissions from students in grades there through 12th will be expecting to draw solutions to one of the following questions. How can we use less plastic? How can we get around without cars? How can we use less water? No more than 6 words may be used per poster. Only 1 entry is allowed per student. Contest winners will have their work enlarged on displayed on Recology trucks and receive certificates and prize packages. Deadlines is March 29, 2022.
Sophomores and juniors, don't miss out on this opportunity. CalSoap and San Benito High School are hosting an in-person SAT prep course for our 10th and 11th grade students on March 5th, 9th, 12th, and 19th. If you are interested in registering, come to the College and Career Center in room 184 or email San Benito High School CalSoap advisors A. Ponce at SBHSD and M. Corral at SBHSD.
Students who have not read pre-scheduled for next year, please sign up to attend your counselor's HST on Friday, February 18th. This is your last chance to pick the next year's classes before February break. If you are unable to attend, please email your counselor or guidance technician, Mrs. Brown and Mrs. Avana, to make an appointment.
Happy CTE Month, Balers. I'm your host, Elijah Rosas, and today we'll be exploring the CTE pathway for Sports Medicine 1, Sports Medicine 2, and Advanced Sports Medicine. There are 3 health science and medical technology courses: Introduction to Medical Careers, Sports Medicine 1, and Sports Medicine 2. In Sports Medicine 1, students learn basic medical terminology and anatomy, prevention of injuries, injury recognition, and rehabilitation, taping and wrapping, stretching methods, and have the opportunity to be certified in first aid, CPR, and AED. In Sports Medicine 2, the field of sports medicine will be explored in greater detail. In Sports Medicine 1 and 2, students will be required to complete observation hours or an interview with a medical professional and write a research paper on one of the injuries or illnesses they observed and complete a professional digital portfolio in order to apply for a medical internship upon graduation.
Last semester, we learned CPR and first aid. Yeah, we learned how to take blood pressure and all that.
I worked on observation hours, so I was observing a athletics trainer, and I was also an assistant aide, so I got to go to football games and help out.
Right now in class, we're currently working on splinting and using spine boards and stuff like that.
Now make sure you take advantage of these awesome, interesting CTE classes that you can take for your future career.
ASL Club meets every Friday in room 175 at lunch. They do a fun activity as well as learn about a prominent deaf figure in the deaf community. We're also going to be selling shirts soon for $20. Email blair.31727 at SBHSD if interested in purchasing a t-shirt. All are welcome to stop by on Fridays.
Stop by and visit your pantry today. Some goodies you can find in the pantry essentials like spaghetti sauce, noodles, canned tuna, jam, mac and cheese. We are located in room 396, access off San Benito Street, the football field parking lot. We are open Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
Bar's Fight, written by poet and activist Lucy Terry in 1746, was the first known poem written by a Black American. Terry was enslaved in Rhode Island as a toddler, but became free at age 26 after marrying a free Black man. This interesting fact is brought to you by your ASB Commissioners of Culture and Climate.
escorts, and press secretary applications for ASB conventions are due today to Mrs. Doty in the Student Activities Office or to Mrs. Lamos in room 341. Be a part of the 2022 convention.
Attention first period students, be sure to sign up to be an ASB convention delegate in your first period class. Today is the deadline. Don't miss out. This is a great opportunity to participate in the democratic process and learn more about the candidates that are running for ASB executive office.
Attention, all interested in freshman Baler football will be holding a second lunchtime meeting this Thursday, February 17th in the Manson Gym. Bring your lunch and some to write with. Thank you from Coach Smith.
That's it for today's bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go Balers!